Hello, this is Group 7, and today we're going to be talking about our bootcamp number 1 that talks about storytelling and creating a storyboard throughout your presentation. And we will also be talking about bootcamp number 2 that touches up on texture.
What matters with visual thinking is that people are interested, facts alone fall short, the story conveys meaning. The images help you illustrate meaning to show the audience your journey. The difference between an image and a text is the image interprets meaning, while a text tells the reader the meaning directly. If you fail to create meaning, you have failed your presentation.
The first thing we're going to talk about is The Hero's Journey by Joseph Campbell. This is pretty much a theme that happens to all of us throughout our lives, and it starts with a call to adventure. That's the beginning, and then something or a situation is thrown at you that causes conflict and takes you into a journey. You push through all your struggles when you learn or have the resources to fight these struggles, and after facing all these foes, you overcome these obstacles and you become the hero in your own story. Now, this can be reflected in your presentation when you're trying to find a solution to a problem, and we're going to talk about how the audience equals the hero and how in a presentation it's important for you to convey the message by taking your audience in an adventure itself.
The audience's journey in summary entails step 1, which is where the audience is unaware that there is an imbalance or a gap in their environment. Step 2 is when that imbalance or gap is presented to the audience. Step 3 and 4 entails the audience having skepticism and resistance towards the hero as they are hearing the hero's insights. Step 5 is when the audience decides to commit to the hero's idea. Step 6 and 7 is when the audience pushes through their resistance to change and decide to go forward with the hero. Step 8, 9, and 10 entails the audience and the hero jointly taking steps together. Step 11 and 12 is the final incorporation of the hero's idea that then becomes widely accepted.
Now we're going to talk about the big idea. The big idea is the point of view and the stakes, which equal the big idea. The point of view is what your unique point of view on the topic at hand is, plus the stakes, which is for those who do or do not adopt your point of view, equals the big idea. Write it as a complete sentence.
We talk about texture. What does it mean to have texture in a presentation? Well, it means having a good balance between analytical and factual statements. You want to back up whatever is fact with value and moral, so it can appeal to the emotion of the audience.